Hello guys, welcome back. So we're here inside of a contact Alan Sugar, and now we're going to be having a look at some of the functionalities here inside the contact profile itself. And as you can see, I have activity, which shows some activities that have happened over the past. Notes, so we take a look. There are no notes at the moment, but we can create a note. So we left a note here for anybody who accesses this contact who's going to be able to see. Emails, so that's emails that we have messaged him over the past. We're going to have a look at that as well in a second. Calls, which we don't have connected at the moment. We also have tasks, which are to-dos that you can create to help you manage the contact, and these are in the form of a checklist. But we'll be looking into tasks into a separate video, so don't worry about it for now. You can create meetings from here, and they'll be linked to your Outlook calendar and vice versa. So if you create a meeting on Outlook, they'll be shown up here on the contact itself. So this is the main tab. Over the right, we have company. So we can add a company we have created. So if you look for start search for the company, you're going to see Parrot Security, which is the company we have created. So if you click save, now Alan Sugar is linked to the company we have made. Deals, if we have any deals at the moment. Ticket, it's similar to a task, but a ticket will be mostly for a general purposes, maybe a query that Alan Sugar have over the apprentices, and a task will be something that you could do. Again, we're going to be looked at into a separate video. Attachments, you can add any attachments here, so you can upload a new attachment, and it's going to be looking into your browser for files that you might want to add on. Let's see if we can find a file here. And as you can see, everything's been tracked here by the activities, so later you can go back and see. List memberships, we're going to be using these options to help segment our contacts for marketing purposes. At the moment we don't have any lists yet. There'll be a separate video covering that. Underneath, you're gonna find playbooks, which could be a script that help you when making a phone call to a client or a learner, or any other type of resources that could help you make your job easier. At the moment, our resources were going to be kept inside ClickUp. And over the left here, you have the main profile for Alan Sugar. His first name, telephone number, stage cycle, and you can change as you move up the stage cycle. And we can also create tasks here. You can create a note, call him, make a task, make a meeting, or just log an activity that we had with Alan Sugar. So these are the main functionalities inside the contact profile. On the next video, we're going to be having a look at how to link our Outlook with our Hubspot. Before we move into the next chapter, I would like you to perform an activity that will help you to reinforce what you have learned over the previous videos. I would like you to add a contact and a company to the database, also to link the company to the contact you've created, and then create a task for your contact. After you've completed that, I would like you to delete the company and the contact you have created from the database, and then move up to the next chapter.